It's the most wonderful time of the year, so here we go. Cabbage, early golden acre. So first and foremost, we got our handy dandy little cups. We want to plant these about 6 weeks before our last frost. When they're 4 inches tall, after the danger of frost has passed, you move them outside. All right, so pop these little bad boys open. Oh, those ain't too small. Cool. We'll fill our cups up real quick. We're just gonna do this the smart way. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get them transplanted. Oh man, get them filled. I don't know why I said transplanted. We ain't there yet, boys. Ladies, you. Alright, so I'm not gonna get super carried away with these. I normally would, but I don't know how I feel about them. Oh wow, okay. That got exciting. So we're just gonna do 2 per cup. And you want to plant them about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. That's why I like my cups. Try to keep these a little bit separated, so that way if I have to thin them out later, I might be able to save them instead of just clipping them and throwing them away. And we're going to go ahead, take our soil, sprinkle a little bit of that on top, like so. And bada bing, a bada boom. Give them the old slug. Gonna wrap them in the saran wrap. I did not write cabbage on these again. To 2024. Love it. All right, in 10 to 15 days from now, you'll be seeing them come up through the dirt. The harvest time will be about 60 days. And hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.